You're back at the lab. It's nearly 8 o'clock on Thursday night. Very sorry, video quite late. Should have been up last night. I got a little bit carried away and just got things done and didn't record anything. And then yesterday I intended to film something to catch you guys up with where I'm at, and it didn't happen. So it's happening now. I'm not entirely certain where we were up to in the previous video. Like I said, it's quite late. I did have a quick look and went, oh yeah, I'm pretty sure a rough idea. That's a new piece of metal that got replaced. It's actually a tiny little bit, not quite right, a little bit low. Yeah, I might stick something in behind there and bash it and get it a little bit closer. It's just going to need a tiny little bit of filler on there, but no more than it would have needed for the factory scene that's normally there, that you'll see is now deleted. So there's that. The big hole in the roof up there. Remember that big, yucky, disgusting hole just here that was all full of bog? That's gone. That'll need very little filler, just a little bit right in this section here, and the rest of it will be totally good. I don't know. Did I show you that? Oh, that was done ages ago. You've seen that. This wasn't done. The whole channel around the boot, the entire channel. Excuse the wire running along the chassis there. There we go. It's a bit quieter, isn't it? See, it's joined in there and you can barely even tell that won't need any filler at all. That'll be just spray putty and should be good. That might need some filler. That's all right. We're allowed a little bit every now and then. All the way. All new piece here, new piece here, new piece there. Look, this is new. You guys haven't seen that. And down here, this bit's new as well. And look, goes around the corner. We've got a whole taillight bucket there. It's all new and it's all good. And, oh, I'd have to go and get it. Let's go get it. One of those, see? One of those. I thought it was on the bench. It's actually on the shelf. Look, it fits. Fits beautiful. Doesn't even wriggle. Goes in there mint. Hey, look at that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to drop it. Arm's length. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Other side, not so much. Not so much. That's pretty much what we were dealing with on the right-hand side. There was that sort of shenanigans, and it's like, well, let's try and figure out where everything's supposed to be and how it's supposed to go. It works. It works. Now, previous video, I did look at the end of it, and I saw that I was making this piece that goes, I was trying to figure out where it was, this piece that goes here, and you can see I've made that. And again, that's pretty good. That won't even need any filler at all. That's just spray putty there. It's not quite as nice there, a little skim of bog, and I showed you that one. I probably can get him behind that with a dolly and give it a whack and make it a bit better. So, pardon me, it's dinner, bit of a burp there. Yum yum. I did that too. New piece of sill there, fixed that, and that's good. That's not finished. It's still exposed at this side, and there's still some shenanigans to take care of, and a little bit of rust, and somewhere there's something rusty, I think. There. Oh yeah, that's right. That goes all the way through into the inside. Yeah, that needs fixing. Got to sort that out. But I made that bit. That big bit there. That's good. It's not finished. I've got to do... It's actually pretty close. I've just got to do this radius here. That I don't have a good template. The other side here is a big pile of dodgy, bungy rubbish, so I can't use that as a template, but I've got it pretty sussed from pictures. I know roughly what radius I'm looking at to get that right, get it correct. But yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? And I haven't quite finished this. I did this tonight while waiting for a customer to come and get his Toyota Celica, sorry. I call them a silly car because I can. So that's what I did with that corner there. That's wrong. It's not technically correct. I've put a bigger radius at the bottom than what they have at the factory. I believe they run a relatively sharp radius like this, all the way down here like that, and that panel comes out a little bit further that way, and the corner's out here somewhere, right? So that's what they normally do. I changed that. That's different. That's a bit more roundy, and then by the time we put the bumper on there, we'll get one of those fiberglass bumpers from Mike Shaw and trim it to suit. Hopefully it fits. It'll work. Look at that. That's actually looks good. It's all it's finished from there, isn't it? Everything's good, except you can see the ground through the hole. Yep. Still a long way to go, but we're starting to get there. The greenhouse, so the roof part of the car, is almost done completely, except for we've got these drip rails that come along here that I haven't made those yet. I just got distracted and did other things. More visual progress makes it look a lot better with that on there than putting that drip rail on, but that's going to happen shortly. Yep. Right. That is basically it. That's the only updates I've got for you. It doesn't look like much. That's a whole lot of work to do those things that I've done there. All made by hand, nothing purchased. I'm just looking on the bench somewhere here. Look. See, look, bloody license, what is it? What's this? Tell me. Yeah, that's right. Tail lights around, bucket thingy. I'll fight. That one's not actually, it's not deep enough just yet. It gets a bit more doofed than that, but look at that, see? Oh. It's a little bit big, isn't it? Oh no, that's right. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And then it gets, it has to go a bit deeper than that. My calculation wasn't quite correct on my my thing that I used to make it, and then that gets folded because taillights have got a thing in them like that just to be a pain in the ass. Why did you do that, Nissan? Nissan's good at doing weird things like that. Datsun, same thing. All right, that'll do. Let's smash this up. Thanks for watching. Cheers, boy.